wants to play in the dishwasher. This is my roadblock. You better stop pouting, you're on camera. Uh-huh. Whoop, be careful. Whoop. You okay? You can't play in the dishwasher. That's yucky. No matter how many toys I set him up with, he has like this sixth sense about the dishwasher being open, and he's gotta go and be a part of it. I let him come over here and play when all the dishes were clean, and he was so excited, but now they're dirty, and I don't want him to... No. Don't use me as a crutch, baby. You can't play in the dishwasher, okay? Okay, I'm gonna finish my chore and stop tempting him. Hey! Quit leaning all the way over.